What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at Extrema Ratio's NK3 neck knife. Now, I'm typically not big into neck knives. I don't really like to have anything hanging on my neck, especially a knife. And a lot of neck knives tend to be pretty kind of chintzy. They don't look right. They're definitely not comfortable. But this knife here looks like it would be really cool for even a pocket carry. My ratio knives, and over here we got the NK3 Stonewash. Okay, we'll see what we got in there. Lot 5, 2022, and probably some sharp. Be careful, don't cut yourself. Okay, oh yeah, I can already tell that this is exactly, I seen this on Instagram, a few guys' Instagram posts, and I was like, ooh, that looks like a nice thick beauty. And yeah, oh yeah, it is too. So got a very nice Kydex holster. Like I said, I think it'll work out really good with a nice pocket clip. I think I even got a yeah, I got one kicking around somewhere. I got a couple of them kicking around somewhere, but yeah, it would work very nicely even as a neck knife. You do have a adjustable piece here, so you can adjust it, which is really nice. It's a nice, comfortable paracord. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's a nice, thick blade. Nice and sharp. Got a beautiful fuller there. Nice stone washing. Feels really good in the hand. Surprisingly, I don't get into small knives either, so but I have medium, slim hand, so it feels kind of good. If you have a really large hand, you might be really uncomfortable, but I'm also thinking definitely a lanyard on this too, to give it a little more bite. The holster's a little bit high up. That's obviously where your retentions is coming from, is right in here. So you can't really cut it down much, but I might be able to trim a little bit of the back off. It does kind of get in the way when you're trying to get the knife. You really are kind of biting a little high on the knife as far as in the holster, but it's a nice holster. It's rugged for sure, definitely. Like I said, I think a lanyard will definitely help back there. But that is a thick boy. Let's do a quick comparison. Benchmade Gratilian. So as you can tell, yeah, it's got some thickness to it, and just a good side-by-side comparison. Let's see what else I got here. All right, let's do Code 4. It's got a little bit beefier stock, I would say, but yeah, still nothing compared to that. This thing is just, it's a beautiful thick piece of steel, and I do believe it is K110, so it's a decent steel for the money. This is not an expensive knife at all. I think Blade HQ has them in stock right now, actually. Surprisingly enough, I ordered it straight from Extrema Ratio in Italy. And then of course Blade HQ gets them in stock, so that's kind of funny. But yeah, they have them in stock right now, I think for like $150. So go check them out. Some of the dealers can get pretty pricey on, Extrema Ratio stuff being imported. So I order most of everything I try to order everything straight from Italy. It's not sharpened all the way, which is kind of surprising. I'm thinking that's probably kind of done on purpose, just because it's such a small knife and you're right there. But you could finish the sharpening if you so desired. I don't know if that's something that's normal for them, because it is ground down pretty nicely, so you could sharpen it you got the edge right there, so you can pretty much sharpen it down to that if you really wanted to, but I won't probably mess with it. This is not going to have the best cutting geometry, you know, because like I said, this is a thick beast. Yeah, and I don't have anything else to measure with it handy for some reason, but anyway, yeah, it's a very thick beast, and she's, like I said, which I kind of like. When you get a small knife, neck knife like this, I think it's kind of nice to have it thick, really thick. You're only going to do just so much with a knife like this. Let's be perfectly honest. You're not going to sit there and process, 10,000 pounds of cardboard cutting it up for recycling. You're just not. This is going to be self-defense. This is going to be quick EDC chores, and I think that it'll very much do it. So, very, very cool knife. I definitely will figure out how to carry it. Like I said, I think I definitely put a nice, good, beefy lanyard on it just to give me a little extra bite back there so it doesn't feel like I'm not having much of a bite. A good knot back here will really help. Definitely, I would feel. And then, like I said, I think a nice clip on here and either put it on my belt or inside my pocket, I think would make for a really, really cool carry for sure. Right, guys, that is it for today. This is the Extreme Ratio NK3. We will catch you next time, guys. Have a great day.